Hey gangsters.
Hello, is it me?
Eloise, get it together.
Salam! Salam dostlar, biz bugün Яңадан Angliyadan kelgan ham Shotlandiyadan kelgan do'stlar bilan jiyilishdik. Алар Британия утрауларынан bizga Qozonga, Татарстанга хәтле килгәннәр. Һәм аларның бик тә татар җырларын тыңлыйсылары килә әлбәттә. Чөнки аларның бер кайчан да ишеткәннәре юк. Әйдәгез әле карап китик. Алар безнең милли көйләребез турында ни әйтер икән? Киттек!
ТЫҢЛЫЙК ӘЛЕ.
Бүген безнең белән
You need to tell me what you're saying. I don't understand what that means. So I'm Isla, I'm from Scotland.
Hi, I'm Aylar, I'm from Scotland. Yeah, I'm Joe and I'm from London.
I'm Eloise and I am from London. I'm Virginia and I'm also from London.
Basic.
The first video we're going to watch is this singer is quite popular and he's an honoured artist of Tatarstan and Bashkortostan. He's a Bashkir and Tatar singer as well.
What a gent.
I love his shirt.
He's flying amongst the clouds.
I was gonna say that. Where is he driving to? I don't understand.
Driving into the future.
Maybe he's dead and he's in heaven. Maybe that's what's happening.
I mean,
Are we seeing the same thing? It's a group hallucination. It's quite old, I mean, like
I was gonna say like this cannot be new because that's
like
like
2000s.
I'm enjoying the car.
I'm enjoying his shirt to be honest.
I'm enjoying the special effect.
I'm very much like the flowers.
Yeah, what's he saying? What's he on about?
I'm the half part of your soul.
Okay,
The chorus goes like,
okay. What has he mentioned? Why he's given her so many flowers?
No, he
and
hasn't
why she
mentioned
keeps
that.
smelling them.
Look at those flowers.
oh, for my entire life, I'm going to be like covering you, like protecting you from the cold.
I mean, they're in heaven. They're already dead. So what's the point?
Aylar, one soul lives forever.
Oh wow.
Sun lives forever.
Needs protection in the afterlife, whatever that may be.
Perhaps that's the point, though. It's like they're already dead. So he's like, I'm with your
Probably,
soul
they
for
get
the rest of
to
your
choose
life because it's your soul is the thing that's in heaven.
It's beautiful.
Maybe that's the point.
Almost as beautiful as those flowers.
I like the beginning metaphor with these flowers.
The flower seems like a very good theme.
What's the national flower of Pakistan?
Tulip.
Tulip.
Tulip. Yeah. So,
We got a bit off topic there.
Yeah.
so
Enjoying these wonderful special effects.
wonderful.
I just love how he's pretending to drive. It's like,
Yeah, this is the best part.
it's like you're dead. You're not driving. Let's be honest. You're in heaven. You're not a real person anymore.
Oh, stop.
Ferrari
That's the
or
next one.
something to drive on.
Okay, out of 10, how many points would you give that? Video?
12.
12.
12?
Good one. Good one.
I'd say,
Out of 10.
honestly, a 6 or a 7.
6 or 7.
That was rubbish.
I was going to say a 7 as well. Could be worse.
What are you rating it on? Music or special effects?
Everything.
Or
Holistically.
Just combine it.
Holistically.
I mean, I didn't understand anything from that, but I mean, first she's like, he loves me not, and then he's like, actually, I really love you, have some flowers, and then they just
You
dance
don't
around
need to understand,
fireworks.
it's just the feeling. One doesn't understand poetry or a song, but you know, still
Maybe I make
conjures
her. I'll give it a 6. I'll give it a 6.
a beautiful thing.
Cool.
of song.
And the vocals. Did you like the vocals? I mean,
No,
he's got
they
a
were
special
horrifying.
voice.
He has a very unique voice.
You know, it kind of reminds me of like Greek music or something. I don't know what his
Turkish
or like
Turkish.
Arabic or something like
no,
that.
I don't know. It's just like the shirt and everything combined. Because I for some reason for Eurovision I always like download the Greek songs. I think oh, it's been fucking hilarious. But
To the next one then.
Yeah, sure.
This is more modern, and I think this is a new music video.
Onwards and upwards.
Do you want to give us a brief summary of the general storyline?
Okay, the
Let's
storyline.
just wait
At
and
the beginning, they've got. Do you want to see it first and then just
Yeah.
explain it?
Yeah.
what a
Just not to spoil your like
Okay,
first
go
impression.
for it. First.
Same.
His grandmother saying, you should marry, you should marry.
True though.
Probably.
Get out of her house.
Go get your wife, she's saying.
But if she's to go get his wife, he doesn't have a wife. I mean,
Well,
this is
he's
so
got
odd.
a girlfriend apparently, so yeah.
Okay. Essentially, was like, bye bye, get off my lawn.
My lawn.
I like this already. Oh yeah, that's a fast tractor.
She's walking very strange. She's got like, she's all hips and no legs. She's like, whoa. She's like wobbling.
This is the fastest tractor I've ever seen.
You don't live in the country, you don't even know.
Russian production.
Oh, I love that dress.
That's got some coincidence.
That's where Adam got married in the big bowl-shaped thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cult
Oh, that's
So.
called so.
She has swag, to be fair.
Is he wearing like horse riding boots?
He's going down to Edelweiss to pick up some orange juice.
Actually,
I think he actually might be.
so is this the girl that he wants to marry?
Yeah, I guess apparently they're dating or something. So
How embarrassing would it be to film that on the streets? I mean, seriously, like walking down, like singing, like.
I always think.
It'd be pretty embarrassing to film dancing on top of a tractor on your own.
I don't think
I know,
it
but at
would
least
be.
no one's there, you know. But like,
Don't be
in
so
the middle of the
judgmental.
street.
It's a lovely thing.
I think
Dancing in a tractor, walking in the streets. Which one?
I'd rather walk through
I'd
the
do
street.
both. I'd dance on a tractor
I know
in the
you
middle
would.
of the street.
Are
But
these
the
people
point is,
famous?
someone's filming you.
In Tatar
They're
Jalali,
very
these people
famous. I mean, this-
See, everyone would be really happy to see them walking down the street. It's quite catchy.
He's trying to steal something. What? Oh, no, okay, he's trying to find something. He's looking for a girl. Oh my god, that's so stalkery. He's got a photo of her in his pocket and. What is going on?
Why are you being so judgmental?
What?
I want to learn that. That looks fun.
That's traditional
What's
Tatar
folk
dancing.
dancing? What's wrong?
It's so offensive.
Oh no. Not being offensive.
You're going to be
I'm just
hunted down
laughing.
by all the
No, I
Tatar
was like, I thought it was just
insulting
like,
the national
I was like Irish dancing. I was like, this cannot be c'est la vie. Like, this cannot be.
Isla, we could easily make fun of tossing the caber. But, you know.
Who doesn't?
Is he still trying to hide?
Do you know what tossing the caber
Can't
is?
translate this.
Why doesn't he just call her?
You should just write down the translation as untranslatable.
Apparently he's from a village and he doesn't have a phone, I guess.
How does he know who she
Why
is?
does he want to marry her? He obviously has no like monetary prospects.
He doesn't or she doesn't.
He
No,
doesn't
he
even
wants
have
to
a
marry
phone. He
her.
lives with his parents at like 30.
But like he has a tractor.
I
And
mean,
he's gonna
I mean,
adopt her.
he's just stealing her. I mean,
That's actually really, really
This is a bit
creepy.
creepy.
No, stop it. This is really romantic.
No.
He's like, I found a wife.
she's so beautiful. So,
That's what I want.
how many points then?
I'm going to give that good 9.
I'm gonna give that a 2 because he abducted a woman. That's not okay.
I enjoyed the video and I thought that it was very entertaining, so I'm going to give it a 9.5.
Ooh, that's good.
Right. I would give it good. Yeah, 9 out of 10.
Good. Okay, let me just check it.
On
If
to
it's
the next one.
the woman, the singer, she's going to appear later. She is the honoured artist of Tatarstan and Russia. She's very famous and well known and respected. This guy, he's a good parodist. He does impressions of some Tatar celebrities. I mean, and yeah, he also sings in this.
Максим Галкин bilen Alla Pugachova'nın toyunu ko'rsatdilar.
Do you know them?
Ne aşkımızı kızım.
Okay.
I love his hair though. Like the bowl.
Onlar işi kuvuşalar mıken?
Elif kelimleri
So when
oramayın.
they put a bowl in it, you just cut round it.
Oh yeah.
Are they making Elash?
Elish, I don't know.
It's very empty flat.
Really like
Can I see this
Our
flag?
president. They're showing how they're congratulating.
What ni Vенера Ганиева bilen ilemişken bulsam. Прикольно olur ya.
That'd be cool if I married her, he says.
Good quality man.
So,
I'm hypnotised by his eyebrows.
Is that his wife?
okay.
Was that his wife or his mother?
No, his mother. No.
No. So he knows that she's a famous singer, and he just imagines that he wants to marry her. I mean,
Oh, the old.
Oh, I see.
because
Why does he want to marry her?
Because she's like a celebrity and she's
Yeah, like-
his like dream girl. He
Yeah.
probably had posters of her on his wall as a child.
maybe, yeah.
I mean, wouldn't you?
Why does Tata videos? Why do they love all these effects of like flowers everywhere?
Sometimes how people understand they're in love if you don't have love hearts on the screen?
Yeah.
They're a bit
Fair
mad.
enough.
with-
Fair enough.
Yaşarıydı ikavgına rahatlanıp bışıp ağılara ağılar.
I could you do a dance like that? Okay.
Not
okay.
everywhere do you
Sorry,
not.
sorry. I thought you meant like this was the tradition. I was like, that's a very
They should make
peculiar
that
tradition.
Well, these are quite European traditions, right? That
Yeah.
thing is just
So what were they doing with like the cushion?
like what?
Like the pillow?
The cushion, yeah.
it was
So
like, right,
that's a
what was-
tradition. Like when you step in the house, I mean, you have to step on the cushion first. That's, I mean,
Okay.
some tradition. So she's made him a slave, apparently.
Romantic.
She's gotten whipped. He's terrible at sweeping. He's just like,
He's doing a very good job of clean stairs.
did he just spit on the tree to water it? I think he did.
Kind of looks like a Tatar shot glass.
Who?
Yes!
Who?
An actor, a character from Gossip Girl. It's
Okay.
an American TV show. He has a nice smile.
Oh, but at least she gives him baths. I mean, that's nice.
That's his treat.
Yeah. And she's in the bath too. It's not like she's just like scrubbing him like a child or something.
Noggin.
He's gonna get hit for that.
Real hard.
Bad talk.
He's
He
gonna
is
have
quick.
shoes. Oh, okay. He's sending her away.
Is he like in? I don't know. Is he like a Jedi or something with his?
So it was all a dream.
Isn't that his mother?
So
It's the Chuckle Brothers.
his wife hit him real hard, and he just trying to kind of.
Passed out and imagined
Oh,
it.
the next one. So what did you think about it?
I think it showed men in their rightful place.
Do you understand that?
Kidding.
Anyway.
I would give it a 4. It wasn't great. The other ones were
Thank you.
better.
Yeah. It didn't batter any parsnips for me. I'll give it a 3.
I didn't mind it. I thought the video was quite funny. So I give it a 6.
Get it. 6.
Yeah. I think I'd give it a 6 too.
Okay.
Yeah. Quite an interesting storyline plot, but
Yeah.
enjoyable.
This singer is so popular and everyone likes him. And this is the most famous song.
What are the main instruments they
Yeah, I
use?
was just thinking the same thing. It's like an accordion.
Oh, yeah, by
Right.
Yeah.
A squeeze
An
box.
accordion and
it's an accordion
a
in English.
Yeah, and like that.
Harmonica.
Yeah, you like have the piano on
It's
one
not like-
side and little buttons, and you like move
It's
in and out.
buttons, not keys here.
Oh, but you have
There's
in
a
the
difference.
accordion in
There's a
the UK.
difference.
It's like
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
has he just abducted a child, or have I just missed a big part of the video?
No, the child was with him. From
Oh,
the
okay.
beginning.
I forgot that.
So cute. He just put cash into the kid's cap like a stripper.
There's nothing wrong with that.
He just put 1,000 rubles into like a 3-year-old's cap.
I got more.
I
at age.
personally thought it was more of like he's trying to donate money to their sad cause of their car not working.
Got a filthy
And then for
mind,
some
do you?
reason that was insulting. I was like, you shouldn't be a nice guy. Like, leave him alone.
It's like pocket money. Keep dancing for me, little child.
But like he did it as a like true.
Isn't that how pocket money works? Isn't that how you got pocket money? No.
Look, this kid knows what he wants, okay?
He knows what he wants out of life and he's getting it.
Oh, on stage, go.
I thought we were supposed to hit him there.
Aww.
I love these dances. They're just... I need to learn some.
Why are they wearing hats? I don't understand.
Because it's I don't know really.
Because it's winter.
They should wear
Not really
inside.
winter, but like autumn.
They're just like holding their trousers and then doing a little shuffle.
Yeah.
I think I could do that.
You've never seen me dance?
Yes, I have, and it was horrible.
You saw a little kid shuffle around in circles with his hands in his butt and then get a 1,000 ruble note put underneath his hat.
I feel like if that happens in real life, I'm going to start doing that more often on the street.
Yeah.
See if I get some money, because I'm really broke. Anyway,
We'll
I
try.
like that one because it was like an adventure and I felt like I was involved in their lives. So I'll give that a solid 7.
Marvellous.
Solid 7.
7.
7!
7.
I think I preferred the one before, so I'm going to give it a 5.
Which one was the one before?
The one where he dreams about the woman.
Oh yeah.
Honestly.
That was
I thought
kind of
that one
funny.
was better.
I thought it was good, yeah.
Do you have any taste at all?
God.
Oh, there it is.
Anyway, I'll give this one, I'd say give it a 9, because I've lived through
Oh.
things that have been similar, and I've seen things that have been similar. I'm like, I associate with it more. And also, like, the kid's adorable.
Okay.
You've given money to a child while he's dancing in the street. Is
No,
that what you're
I
trying
was
to tell
talking
us?
more about the, like, seeing these little, like,
I know, I'm winding up.
markets and the...
You mean in Russia? I mean, like,
Yeah.
whilst being here.
It's
okay.
things I recognise from, like, being here and...
So the next one then. This singer is quite popular too. Well, I mean, quite popular. He's popular, and actually, he's one of my far relatives.
Relatives.
Yeah.
relatives.
So Zinnur, his stage name is, and it's quite a serious song. So I quite like it.
Oh dear. Someone's been a bad boy.
This guy.
No,
That was
no.
me last week.
Last week. You've been to.
Yeah, I was arrested.
You were
You're going to get kicked out of town.
again.
Again!
That's the first time.
Come on, it's a
Okay.
serious song.
Өткен сайын өмір қараңғырақ, осалырақ хаман боранар, жанда тартмай қанда
That's the singer. That's quite different, isn't it? I mean, that's the way he sings.
Yeah, it's different voice, it's different atmosphere.
You sound like he smoked very, very many cigarettes.
Why is he so sad?
It's about relatives, like the song is.
What happened to his relatives?
Like you.
Does that make you feel sad because you're his relative and he's singing about you?
Do you not answer the phone when you rang through that?
Maybe he's singing about me. He's singing like, I mean, he's like regretting about not,
Having put more effort in with his
Knowing
family.
his relatives.
like, yeah. He just got out of prison and he's
Dude.
looking for an apartment and he's asking his.
He's obviously singing about you.
Yes,
obviously.
I knew that.
That's just... I understand why you like this song now. That's you when you were a child. It's supposed to be you. It's so emotional.
Oh gosh, it's family photos.
That's all the family photos
Can
that
you
you're in.
recognize it?
Is that you?
Do that.
Yeah.
I like how it's very orange.
Where did things go wrong?
We make mistakes. But
It's like he's
if we
gonna
fix
laugh.
them on time, it turn out differently. Well, he's made a mistake with his relatives. I mean, he didn't give him.
With you.
We know that. I should have mentioned that. Oh my god.
That's
We're
very
not
true.
meant to laugh at this video. I mean, it's very.
Yeah, but at the same time, we don't understand what they're
what he's
saying,
talking
so it's
about.
very odd to us that he's just like being really melodramatic and going like, "Oh, I'm so sad," but like, why?
It's an
Why
important part of learning language is that...
Oh, his family arrived.
I don't know what I was going to say. It's like when I listen to Isla, I don't understand anything she says, but because she's got a funny accent, I just laugh.
I feel the same about you.
Please don't blame me. He's singing. If I call you my relative, he's singing.
Oh, that's really sad.
Maybe he's saying, "What
happened?
is love, baby? Don't hurt me."
Global warming.
What a silly.
Is he gonna die? This is not happening.
Christ is cold. It's a very shallow. Oh, no,
This got very dark very quickly.
Well, he survived, so it's okay. So
And
who
his
cares?
brother, obviously, like his relative. You remember?
Are you sure that's not you?
Great diary.
I really enjoyed that one.
I like that a lot. Yeah.
I like the drama, I like the action. I liked everything.
I mean, yeah. It's quite cute, it's emotional.
Yeah.
It really reminds me of something, but I can't work out what
Me?
it is. Apart from you, something else. Like the sort of how it's very, very, very overdramatic. Like that's like
Overdramatic.
different level overdramatic.
Yeah, that is quite dramatic. Points. I'll give it 5. I didn't like it that much. I thought it was like nice as a song, but the video was quite a letdown.
Depressing.
Not depressing, it was just
Ridiculous.
over the top.
It was frankly just ridiculous. He stands on the like edge and just like, whoa.
I think the pond ruined it for me. He could have done
I
anything.
really
That ruined
enjoyed
it for me,
that.
honestly.
I really enjoyed
He could have done
the
anything.
drama, and
It's
I
'cause you
enjoyed
live
the
the drama.
video, and I enjoyed everything. The song itself was a little lackluster, but everything else, 9
I
out
like
of
that.
10.
I like that it's like different to the other ones because the other ones have like a similar beat. This is the first one we've listened to that's been about something other than like I love her and
Yeah, but I hate
steal her
emotions.
away.
So
You know, I went through a plethora of emotions.
Plethora.
A plethora.
It's a
of
multitude.
emotions.
A multitude.
what?
These are English. These are interesting English words. Oh, I gave
shit.
that 2.
I was gonna say 2 as well.
Times
because
2, so I'll give it a 4.
I give it a 9.
I'm giving it a 2. I did not like it.
Okay. The next one then?
Okay, they're starting in a
singers-
field, which is always a good start.
This
It
is-
means it's gonna be very dramatic.
Beautiful nature.
Okay, let's just watch it. He's quite popular, I'd say.
Sounds like a Mumford and Sons song.
I want to kiss you on your eyes.
Ooh, I was like, oh, there it is.
I was translating the lyrics.
On your eyes.
It's
I
like
don't
a-
want to kiss on my eyes.
It's like in Game of Thrones where I'm gonna kiss you down.
I like it.
I really like this one actually.
She's painting
Volkswagen
the bus that's going to come picking
car,
up.
that's what it means in German.
It's the bus that represents them going off happily into the distance.
See, they're leaving their emotional baggage quite literally behind them, and they're going off into
I love
a
it.
happier future.
Okay, I'm living for this
Now I
video.
understand.
The emotion, just the
He
metaphors.
looks like he's standing on a portaloo.
Does a bit.
I stood on a Portaloo once.
No one cares, Joe.
I like his double denim.
See, he's now going to leap gracefully from the roof. See, have you seen how there's 2 spaces there, and in the last bus stop there's only 1
Yeah,
space?
that represents them being united.
Yeah, he's going to
At
jump on
last.
and they're going to dance on the top of the porta potty bus stop.
Yeah. And they're going to kiss.
Yeah. Well, I don't think we'd go that fast, but
No, they have to get married first.
I want to kiss you.
on your
On your
eyes. I'm going to kiss you on your eyes.
What did you think about this video?
I loved it.
I really liked it.
I think it reminds me more of like Spanish and Italian music than
Okay,
anything else
yeah.
you've shown us. The way like they play and like the beat and the instruments just in general.
I mean, there's nothing redeeming to say about Spanish music, but this was really good.
I thought it was lovely. 8 out of 10 from me.
Oh, okay.
I'll give it a 9.
I'm going to raise Eloise's previous high score of 9.5, and I'm going to give it 9.9.9.
Good.
I feel no emotions for this song. I don't even know how to compute it 'cause I don't even know.
And I think I like
Zyla doesn't have emotions.
I don't have emotions.
Okay.
So just logically then, I don't know, 4.
The rap song.
Ross!
Gonna rap
I saw people rapping in the streets of Kazan last night and I was just like, this is the best day of my life.
in Russian.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Now you're about to hear a Tatar rap song.
Can you rap?
I can, if I try.
How-
No, not try. Just
what is a person that raps? Is it a rapper or a rappist?
so, just go for it.
Anyway,
Another beautiful Volvo.
You know the surrounds of...
Do you recognise the place?
Where
It
is
looks
this?
like a hill.
I kind of do.
You know this reminds me of?
That's a Mitsubishi. It's a Mitsubishi.
Twilight, because they're always driving Volvos in the snow.
Oh, is it
His
the-
eyes are very wide.
Seems very alarmed.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's old meeting new, that the old car is fixing the problems of the new generation, which are being expressed
I
through
don't
rap.
think he's old.
I'm talking
I
about
bet he calls
cars.
her, and then they get married and fall in love.
We'll see.
Is she teaching him to drive?
And she's like, you just drive, because I'm going to break my car again.
These guys are not famous. I mean, rap is quite new for us.
Yeah.
Like, quite new genre.
She has a really nice voice.
Yeah.
I like his scarf.
Cute.
Nice scarf.
I think this is definitely the cutest like couple we've seen in
Yeah,
this
it's more genuine. I mean, we'll give it time, because it might get worse.
I meant it looks because I'm artificial.
Look, it's going towards that.
Oh dear.
Look. Oh.
What happened?
Oh, the other guy she was cheating with is now with another girl.
She's
The
like,
drama
"Damn it."
continues.
Cheating on cheating.
I mean, like, was the other guy really rich or something?
I mean, he was not even
He
nearly
went-
as good looking
yeah.
as the other guy.
I'm just impressed by the range of cars that are in every single one of these videos.
I think they must own like a garage or something.
Yeah.
Fuckity bye.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Yes. So was that it?
That was very
That's
abrupt.
it.
That was it. Yeah, it was a very odd ending.
Aw.
He said, "To слишком поздно
Yeah, something like that.
сказать."
Okay.
But what about the rap?
It's incredibly slow.
It's an yeah, it's
I
pretty
like it.
pretty slow. I'd say R&B more
Yeah.
than rap.
Yeah, it's too slow to be
Okay, it's R&B.
rap.
I like it. I like the woman singing as well. She
What
has
does
a good
R&B
voice.
stand for? Rhythm and booty. Actually, no, I'll give that a 6.
6.
I felt the most emotionally involved in the relationship out of all of them, so that's maybe an 8. Okay, 7.5.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it an 8 as well. 8.5.
Good.
8.5.
Oh, these are just-
I would give it a 7.
Mhm.
Because I agree. This is the most real looking relationship.
Mhm.
So
And there wasn't an abundance of flowers, which makes me want to vomit.
yeah. So it also had the best looking guy in it. So
Yeah, he was
and
cute.
girl.
The next song is actually a folk song. It's based on the recording which was recorded by the Germans during the World War One. So it's a recording of a prisoner singing, and the song is based on that recording. So yeah, it's very like dramatic. I mean,
Oh dear God.
so this is a recording illustrating the situation. Kind of. Yeah, he started as a prisoner in Germany.
In Germany.
Germany, yeah.
Oh dear.
Did he survive the war?
I
Yeah,
don't think, so, but I don't know.
he grew up to be Albert Einstein.
So
I love those girls' dresses and like the big capes and the hats. Ruby, I want that.
folk clothing.
Because you don't get that like in Scotland. There's no like girl version of the kilt, so you just like
Right.
there's nothing. It's a cute baby.
This is the national instrument. Like, it's called
That's a
Dunra.
really nice sound.
Dunra, it's called. So yeah, the footage from
It's bizarre.
the collider first. This is the scene in the prison.
So is this like a traditional song or is it written?
It's like a folk song,
Okay.
basically. Like they're playing
I'm
the.
loving those guitar things. Whatever
It's
you call
Dunra.
them. That
As I know, it's called Dunra. If I'm not mistaken.
it looks like a mandolin.
My grandmother has 2 of these in Italy. I never knew what they were. I never knew how to play them.
Wake the Tartars up like the Tartars that are being careless, that are careless. So yeah, what did you think about
I
this?
think I would have been more emotional if I understood what it meant, and also if I
Oh,
had
sorry,
emotions, which I don't. So
Okay, fair enough.
I
Again,
love the whole ensemble. It's great.
I'd say 9.51.
I also really enjoyed that. I thought it was a lovely song. I'm
Yeah.
going to give it a 9.52.
9.5.
Rounded down.
I really like that. I think I'm a big history geek, so I like learning something different and seeing it from a different perspective. So and it's very emotional, and I like the use of like folk instruments, and the singing is really beautiful and like clear. So yeah, I'd give it like I'll give it a 9 and 9.9 just to get on the level.
That deserves it.
Yeah, it deserves it. I think it's a good piece of history.
Should we watch this last one?
Let's have the beginning was cracking.
Синең ләккән бит күз нуры, синең хакта җырларың.
Тапшыру ахырына якынлашты дуслар. Караганыгыз һәм аңлаганыгыз өчен бик зур рәхмәт. Хәзер инде видеоны төшергәндәге кызыклы моментларны карап китик. 1 2 3. Сау булыгыз.
Keeping character, right?
I love that hat.
Hi, I'm Island. Forgot my own name.
Island.
I'm
Okay,
Island.
that's
Yes,
Island.
my name is Island.
What about
and
you?
I'm
Where are you from?
Go Island.
from the island of
okay.
Isla.
Who wants to say in Tata?
I like it.
I'll try.
Goddamn
How do you say it? So Lynn, Virginia, and I'm from London as well.
And I say keep thick, that means let's go. Keep thick. Hey, 1 2.
TATAR
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba.
Bam 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 bam.